Wow, bro.
What
I'm gonna do something to them.
That guy I just killed. He's the one
Oh,
who
you don't
keeps
want to
I just spawned!
He says down here, the guy I just killed. Or this guy. He's gonna respawn. We need to kill him over and over again.
The last time I did that.
Why the f I teleport 10 miles across the f***ing map?
Anyone team kills this guy, getting kicked.
He's not on our team though. How is that team go?
Okay, what is...
Oh, moderator, cool.
I'm Josh. Josh and I.
Okay.
You're Joshin?
What?
And then Ava is here, so Ava is here, you're gonna go back...
Wait, I want to test something. Do you have a grenade? Do you have a grenade?
Are you guys in for your food?
No,
It's gonna take
Alright,
like half an
and
hour.
Piper, you are gonna die too. Watch this. Bye-bye, Piper. Bye-bye.
It takes a long time to make the pizza.
Cool. That's not the second time I met moderator, so hey. In fact, it's another same guy that I met last time. What? I ain't surrendering.
Stop the gun, bro.
Hey, what the dead guys? Bruh! Oh, it's a civil war!
Where'd you go, Timothy?
My controllers are beyond fuck.
Kill him!
Yeah,
Kill
no!
Marsock, you sexy beast.
Earlier. I can't even see. Allah Rahim Rabuk! Allah Rahim! Allah Rahim!
There's more.
Yeah, no, there's endless supply. Yalla! Yalla! Yalla Rahim Yarhook! Asmut Yabruki!
I surrender, chill.
Why is wrong my controller, man?
The Marsock pussy patrols here.
Bro. I can't even see!
No, my screen's going black, my screen. I just king killed the fuck out of someone, my...
Hey, pal.
My bad, the guy I team killed. Bro, my screen keeps going black, I can't see shit. Everyone, put your dicks in their pussy.
Do they even have one?
Yeah! He's alive.
Go chopper.
That's why my screen keeps going black.
Allah Yahim Rabuk Azmat Yafata!
Oh, I fucked someone. Yeah, you did just fuck me. You're welcome, boy. I know you like it. I did like it. Did it again.
Yeah, they're in the kill house now.
No, I'm joking. I got a girl. Take your panties off.
My hearing.
I
I need
did
new
last
controllers. Ow! Yalla!
By accident, you passed by.
I'm shook my girl.
From me. Please revive me, Chuck.
Me and my girls
Don't
fucking
worry,
all
come
I
in.
love them when they have love hands.
like twice a week because I'm gonna fuck your dad. My dad's at every night.
What's
My dad's at work.
Sometimes 2 or 3 times a day.
2 or 3. I mean, when I see her, I do it like 4 times a day.
What does a 4 times jump do? Got him. Let me behind this. Why is he doing one-handed compared with a broken controller?
You, remember me, soldier?
Right, don't worry, I've been coming in.
There's one more guy there, though.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
What our team or not? Wait.
I'm about to come
Hold on. Trim spots, trim me.
Yeah,
here.
Make some sort of locker.
Yo! Is anybody
Not yet.
still over here? Or is it the no go?
Surprised I haven't.
Hey boys, we got a new Marsoc.
You getting near some people?
Yo! Is anybody here still? Anybody here still?
Now, we wanna kill you all.
I just wanna make friends!
For my KG ratio, better be wild.
Yeah, up until we all get slaughtered by them all.
Whoa.
Ah, draw the C4.
Guys, now listen, Timmy is
Jimmy! God bless America!
Hell yeah. No, we're Russian. We gotta say God bless Russia.
God bless the Soviet Union!
Allahu Akbar.
Allah Akbar.
Help me! Please, help me follow you, boys.
Allah Akbar! Well, that's my content for the day, hell yeah! Hi, what's going on there?
Owen, I'm still playing.
Man, who knew I'd be in 1944?
Owen, you'll get a turn, Owen.
Don't worry, pal.
Hello.
Hi, pal.
Yeah.
I need a new controller. Everyone's dead! Suck my d over. Ah! Defend the border! Defend the border!
I need that. Please.
sorry. Hi, pal! How you doing? Ah, I'm having fun! Aren't you, pal? Still got a laser. Friendly! Seriously, an RPG, come on! I'm getting a grenade launcher. Ah, that one! To the face, here we go! I just need to get the out of here. If I can move! Just get the out of this. Get the out of here!
They're screaming.
Why am I the only monster left the
Yo. Phone up.
Hey, put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Okay!
Yo,
Okay.
hands up.
Hands are up! Hands are up!
You guys are some.
That's our hostage. That's our hostage. You're our
I had
hostage.
no
That's your
hostage.
weapon.
I'm going to bomb mother. This is a gas chamber.
Everyone move around.
4 people at once with a Glock.
Wait, I'm gonna
Everybody switch teams. God damn.
Drop your weapon.
Grab
Code 2, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, listen, we'll do it. We'll surrender, bro, and we'll 3-2 all of them. When I say crocodile,
what just happened?
we'll 3-2 all of them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Crocodile,
Understood.
we're gonna 3-2 all of them. And we run, like, trust me, it'll work. I'm good at this shit. Look.
You're hostage.
Yeah, I surrender now. I surrender. Can't even see gas chamber. Allah Akbar.
Buddy, we can talk about this. Let's just throw away the smoke. And I cannot see shit.
Yeah, I can't even see Sky ever.
Okay, now I can see. Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Here's a gun.
Ooh, a gun. Why do you keep throwing? Stop throwing smokes. What the fuck are you, bad? Holy Jesus. Hi.
Hi.
Turn around.
Sounds a nuclear bomb.
Allah Akbar.
Turn around.
Okay. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar.
Why did we do that?
Everyone's dead now. Cool.
I'm not dead.
Don't worry, I can change that. Hold on.
Buddy, no.
Jimmy! Allah Akbar.
What does get buddy?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Enough.
You don't fucking do this, man.
I was dead!
What does get buddy?
Hi, buddy.
Fucking dealing with you.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I have a plan. It's
Oh
a
my
great
God,
plan.
I got a plan! I got a plan! Give me the remote! Give me the remote! Alright, let's go, buddy!
Oh my god, are you really doing this?
Hey, buddy, you alright? Everyone's dead?
Yeah, I think he's dead. I think he is
Guys,
dead.
I think I died.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go defend this place.
Wait. Do you remember what crocodile is?
Oh, yeah. No, I can't even. Don't worry, buddy, escape! Alright, let's come to now. Hell yeah. The James Bonds.